This is the transistor, which is a 3-terminal electronic component that has collector, base, and emitter. It's always good to check the pinouts of the transistor with the information available in the data sheet of the transistor, as I have one for the transistor that I'm using. Based on this information, if I have the transistor flat side facing this way, then the top pin is the emitter, the middle one is the base, and the bottom one is the collector. So here you can see the flat side of the transistor. Now I want to connect this transistor on the breadboard. So in order to have the same configuration as I have in the drawing in my manual, I need to turn this transistor over. Then in this case, this top pin, while the flat side facing that way, is the collector. So I have one transistor already connected on the breadboard. This is the wire connected to the collector, which should be connected to the ammeter, which is measuring the collector current. And the other port of this ammeter should be connected to the cathode of the diode, as I'm connecting. And this is the wire that is connected to the base of the transistor and needs to be connected to the ammeter, which is capable of measuring currents in microamp range for measuring the base current. And then we have this potentiometer. We use this to change the base voltage. We have 6 potentiometers in this box, and we are using the 50 kilo ohm potentiometer. 2 heads of these potentiometer should be connected to the padding resistors which we have here. Okay, and this is the other head of the potentiometer. And these cables are used for connecting the power supply to our circuit. So it's already set at 9 volt as is recommended in the manual. So now this ammeter is showing the collector current, which is about 2 milliamp. And this meter is showing the base current, which is 4.1 micron. We need to record these values in our lab book, and then by changing the potentiometer, we are changing the base voltage and consequently changing the collector and base current. We need to record these values at different steps and draw the graph of the collector current versus the base current.